How to switch to professional account on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can switch to professional account on Instagram. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Instagram account. You shall get an interface like this. You want to make sure you're logged into your account. I'll just log into my account real quick here. Now once you're logged in, you'll get an interface somewhat like this. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen that you see, and here you want to tap on the three horizontal or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you'll get an interface like this. You want to head into the option that says account there, as you can see there on the screen. Once you tap on it here, if you scroll all the way down below, you'll get the option that says switch to professional account. Simply tap on switch to professional account option there, and once you tap on it, simply tap on continue. Go ahead, continue, and then you want to go ahead and choose what describes you. I'll just choose the artist option. Tap on done, and once you do so, here it'll ask you whether you are a creator or a business. So if you want to set up a business account, you can select business, or if you are a creator, you can choose creator. I'll just choose creator, and next. And then here you want to simply set up your professional account and simply complete your profile. Tap on complete your profile and add links if you want, and show thread badge if you want, and then simply go ahead and simply tap on tick mark at the top right corner of your screen, and your account will be set to professional. So this way you can set up your professional account on Instagram or switch to professional account on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.